Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bumblebee by Smita. I'm Smita and I'm so excited to have you all here today. This channel is all about sharing my learnings with you all, and in this video we are diving into an awesome project using stencils and texture paste. This is day 4 in the series, and if you love adding depth and dimensions to your artwork, you're going to enjoy this. I will share the entire process right from making the stencils and using it to apply the texture paste for that perfect finish. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get creative together. So let's talk about the supplies that we have. We need a palette knife, some texture paste, a wooden tile, any size will do. I have taken an 8 by 8 inches wooden tile. We need a stencil as well to do this project. Now what I've done is I've taken my previous project, some texture paste was left, so I've taken that and I'm applying it with the help of a palette knife on the wooden tile. I'll give an even texture of this and give a beautiful shade to it, and then we will see how to use the stencil to decorate the tile and give a beautiful background to it. So once my tile is dry here, I'm going to go ahead and do the stencil work on it. So I'm just trying to get it in the center, and let's first prepare our stencil and then I will talk about the paints. As my stencil is little short from the tile, I will just align a small piece of paper just like so to avoid getting the paste onto the tile, the background. This will help me with that. I'll do the same on the other side here. Also with a steady hand. So I made this stencil on my Glowforge Pro laser cutter. I have a separate video which you can see on the right corner of the screen at this point. You can click on that and see how I cut my stencil myself. Now this is cut on 190 microns, so it's not a very thick stencil. It is a thin stencil. I am going to upload a video there with a thick stencil as well. You can go and check that. So once I align my stencil on my tile nicely, I'll go ahead and get my texture paste. So I have tried making this paste myself, and I'm going to try using this for the first time and see what are the results. So all we are doing is we are trying to so here is the texture paste. This I have made myself from at home, and I'm just going to try to see how this works with this paste. I'm going to use a bit of it here. Because we have two colors, we're trying to give shades. We'll take 2 of this. Okay. I think it's pretty dry. So let's first mix the paint and then we'll get back to the tile. Smoothen it out with your palette knife. This looks good to me. In one of them, I'm going to add dark gray chalk paint. Mix that one nicely. Now I'll go ahead and mix a different shade of chalk paint onto my texture paint to see if we have enough. So here I'm ready with my 2 shades to give it on the tile. I think I have mixed enough. I'm just going to close these. So these are just 2 chalk paints I got from my local B&Q store here in UK. And they were on sale, so I just got those chalk paints. Now let's get back our tile onto our surface. It is nice. Now with a steady hand, we're just going to apply this paste onto this. Let me clear my palette knife here. And just take a bit of it. Hold the tile tight and start applying. We just need to cover the whole surface very evenly. I'm trying to apply a lighter shade at the bottom and the darker shade is on the top. The point here is to not mix the two colors too much and have a kind of a gradation effect from top to bottom. So it starts from dark, becomes little bit light, and then it becomes much lighter. So that is my purpose. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. So I will try to not take the lighter shade onto the top, and I'll try to create a gradient here. So there's no right or wrong here. You can do the strokes as many times as you like till you are satisfied with what you're doing. Just keep applying the paste and try to create the gradient. There is no right or wrong. So look at that raised effect onto the tile. It is little off, but I'm just practicing, so I'm happy with the results. I'm also happy with the stencil I made. This is 190 micron stencil sheet. You get up to 390 microns, and the thicker the stencil sheet is, the thicker the paisley will come out to be. And that's a wrap for day 4 of my journey into learning texture art. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this session helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below to let me know what you think or if you have any questions. See you soon with another exciting art project. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. Bye.